On a sunny, golden morning, a little boy named Leo was walking along the sandy shore. The gentle waves tickled his toes, and seagulls sang their morning songs. Suddenly, something shiny caught his eye. It was a glass bottle, half buried in the sand, with a tiny piece of paper tucked inside. Leo carefully picked it up, his heart beating with excitement. He uncorked the bottle and unrolled the paper. On it was a drawing of a smiling girl with a big, red kite and a few words. "Hello, from the other side of the ocean. My name is Mia. What's your name?" Leo ran home as fast as he could. He found his favorite blue crayon and a fresh piece of paper. He drew a picture of himself building a tall sandcastle with a bright yellow flag on top. Below his drawing, he wrote, "Hello, Mia. My name is Leo. I love building sandcastles." He rolled up his message, put it back in the bottle, and sealed it tightly. Standing at the water's edge, he gave the bottle a big toss into the ocean. "Have a safe trip," he shouted. The bottle bobbed on the waves and slowly floated away, carrying his message across the vast blue sea. Weeks turned into months. Every day, Leo would visit the beach, hoping for a reply. One afternoon, just as the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, he saw it. A familiar glass bottle, washed up on the shore. With trembling hands, he opened it. It was a new message from Mia. This time, she had drawn a picture of herself receiving his message, her smile as bright as the sun. She wrote, "Hi, Leo. I got your message. I've never seen a sandcastle so big. Do you want to be friends?" Leo's heart filled with joy. "A friend from across the ocean." He quickly wrote back, "Yes, I would love to be your friend." From that day on, Leo and Mia continued to send messages in the bottle. They shared stories, drawings, and dreams. Even though they were miles apart, separated by a giant ocean, their friendship grew stronger with every message, proving that true connection knows no distance. Thank you for watching our story today. If you enjoyed Leo and Mia's adventure, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more wonderful stories. See you next time!